learn the use of having. It is very important to know. There are many who don't know the use of having or make a mistake while using having. I will try to teach or explain its use as easily as possible. I hope after today there will be no problem with the use of having. So let's get started.
Having. Having is the present participle of have. We use eating, drinking, etc. such as I am eating pasta. I am eating pasta. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. He takes tea. He takes tea. In the case of tea, we will use the word take, such as I take tea every day. I take tea every day. We can also use have or having. For example, please have a cup of coffee. Please have a cup of coffee. Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch? Another example. How about having a cup of tea? How about having a cup of tea? How about having dinner with me? How about having dinner with me? Today we are eating dinner. Today we are eating dinner. We can also say, we are having dinner tonight. We are having dinner tonight. We can use having instead of eating here. I am eating bread in the breakfast. I am eating bread in the breakfast. Or I am having bread in the breakfast. I am having bread in the breakfast. I am eating rice with chicken. I am eating rice with chicken. Or I am having rice with chicken. I am having rice with chicken. I am taking coffee with him. I am taking coffee with him. Or I am having coffee with him. I am having coffee with him. He is eating pizza with me. He is eating pizza with me. Or he is having pizza with me. He is having pizza with me. Then we learned how to use having in the case of eating. Trouble or problems. Let's look at another use of having. He is having trouble with his eyes. He is having trouble with his eyes. Sentence structure. Subject plus verb like am, is, are, was, were plus having, then trouble or problems plus extension. Here are some more examples. I am having trouble with my sleep. I am having trouble with my sleep. Or I am having problems with my sleep. I am having problems with my sleep. I am having trouble with my bike. I am having problem with my bike. He is having trouble with breathing. He is having trouble with breathing. I am having trouble of sleeping. I am having trouble of sleeping. I am having trouble with my phone. I am having trouble with my phone. I am having trouble with my passport verification. I am having trouble with my passport verification. I hope you understand this point well. Perfect participle. Having done the work, he left. It is the example of perfect participle. By doing the work, he left. It is the example of present participle. A sleeping child. A running horse. Adding ing to the verb in this way is called present participle. However, I will discuss the present participle later. Today we will discuss perfect participle. After watching the movie, I went to sleep. After watching the movie, I went to sleep. Having read the book, I went to sleep. Having read the book, I went to sleep. There are usually two jobs here. After completing one task, the subject does another task. We have to perfect participle the sentence that the subject will finish fast. Having finished cooking, I went to the office. Having finished cooking, I went to the office. Here, I finished the cooking first and then went to the office. Or, having finished cooking, I went to the bath. Having opened the door, he entered the room. Having opened the door, he entered the room. Here, first he opened the door, then went inside the room. We can use having to have fun. I am having a lot of fun playing tennis. I am having a lot of fun playing tennis. I am having a great time. I am having a great time. I am having a wonderful time. I am having a wonderful time. I am having a lot of fun doing this. I am having a lot of fun doing this. I am having a lot of fun doing the math. I am having a lot of fun doing the math. Let's learn a few more sentences. I am having a really bad day. I am having a really bad day. I can't bear having cats in the house. I can't bear having cats in the house. I am having my hair cut this morning. I am having my hair cut this morning. I hope I have been able to teach you the use of having. Now you can also use them.